Right, so we go with a little bit of recap of what we had studied the other day, right? And keep asking questions if you have not understood. The one topic that we studied the other day was electric potential difference. Electric potential difference. And whenever we say potential difference, we have to always say potential difference. So now you've got a little bit of idea also. Potential difference between 2 points. The difference is always measured between 2 points. Potential difference between 2 points. If you say potential between 2 points, means it's like two children ke beech mein potential between 2 points, and let's say the points are A and B. Okay, so we write it as electric potential difference between 2 points is written as VAB. Okay, and your wish, the way you actually want to say, so we say VB minus VA, where we say that B is the, okay, we'll make it as VA minus VB, better hoga, VA minus VB, where A is the final point and B is the initial point. Difference is always final minus initial. VA minus VB ऐसे लिखते हैं, and this is said to be the external work done. Okay, external work done to move a unit charge from initial to final, that is from B to A divided by the value of the charge. Okay, this is a generic expression, children. Please pay attention. When you will be doing numeric, ये इतना generic आपको होने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का जो कॉमन नाम हम सुनेंगे, कॉमन नाम, we will listen to it as potential difference. In this chapter we will learn it as potential difference. एक ही चीज है, इसी नाम से हम इसको ज्यादा सुनेंगे. And potential difference we write as PD. I don't know, I filled ink in this one, but twice. Did I fill in this black or blue? I think black. PD. So PD is written as how much? Same. Work done by an external source to move a charge from B to A divided by Q. Even ऐसे भी नहीं, आराम से देखते हैं. Electric potential difference. इसी के नाम को हम बोलते हैं as voltage difference. Okay, and this is the word which you'll get more in your what you call numericals and all. Voltage difference. So the voltage difference is said to be the external work done from moving a charge from say B to A divided by Q. Are you trying to understand what I'm trying to say? Electric potential difference between 2 points A and B. अभी हम कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं? Where it is something like you're being served fork, fruit, spoon, and everything. End of the day, you'll eat with a spoon or whatever you get. So end of the day, what you will be dealing more is this word, voltage difference. What is voltage difference? Is same as electric potential difference. In some questions, they'll refer it as PD, potential difference. Because our potential, we are studying electricity, so our potential is all about electric potential. We are not talking about mechanical potential, which was in grade 9, MGH वाला, ठीक है? ये एक था, और दूसरा हमने क्या देखा था? We said electric potential at a point. Electric potential at a point. At a point, and in this case we say at a point A. Now at a point you cannot find out electric potential, so what we do, we do the concept of infinity. We say VA infinity is equal to VA minus V infinity. Okay, and V infinity is given the value of 0. V at infinity is always taken as 0. This is assumed. So this will be equal to what? The work done in moving the charge from infinity to A divided by the value of the charge. This is the value of VA, which is same as VA infinity. लेकिन आगे चल के हम क्या लिखेंगे? From here the main definition comes. आगे चल के for any mathematical purpose we will write the potential difference. Potential at a point is given by work done by charge. Children, this is the formula you will be using extensively in doing problem. Is this part visible? Okay, it's visible, yeah. This is the formula that you will be using. Potential at a point is given by work done in moving from infinity. These are all classical definition. For using in problems, we will be using it in this manner. And if you want to understand like what is the potential difference between these 2 points, so the 2 points means the work done. It's ultimately work done. So based on this, I further write V is equal to W upon Q, where W stands for work done. Work done. Okay, Q stands for charge, V stands for voltage, and the unit of voltage is said to be volts, VOLT. ऐसे हम denote करते हैं V से. Charge is in coulomb, work done is joules. Okay, so 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. So how we define it? We say that the potential at a point is said to be 1 volt. See, in two ways we can define. Do you want to define by this part? We'll define by this part. Potential at a point is said to be 1 volt if a work of 1 joule, or to be more specific, if an external work of 1 joule is spent in moving a charge of 1 coulomb from infinity to that point. Okay, come by this definition. The electric potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if an external work of 1 joule is spent in moving a charge across the 2 points, or moving a charge from one point to the other point. ठीक है, ये चीज समझ में आया. यहां थोड़ा सा ग्रेड 9 में भी जाना पड़ेगा. If you remember, work done is same analogous to energy. Why, sir? Because the amount of energy I have in my body is the amount of work I can do. काम करते 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 सारा एनर्जी थक गया, मैं और काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा. और जितना वर्क कोई मुझ पे करेगा उतना ही एनर्जी मुझ पे बिल्डअप होता है. सो वर्क एंड एनर्जी, because energy also has the same unit called joule, work also has the same energy. For example, let us think like that. Let's say there is a bucket of water. If you do work on it and take it up, you have energized the system. Why? Now if you release the bucket, धड़ाम से नीचे गिरेगा, और जब नीचे गिरेगा वो तो किसी का सर फोड़ के भी जा सकता है. So an energized system can do work. If you do work on a system, you are bringing energy. So energy and work are always W and E are interconvertible चीज है. एक बॉडी में जितना एनर्जी है उतना ही एक बॉडी वर्क करेगा. बट इज इट लाइक दैट? नॉट एग्जैक्टली. थोड़ा सा लॉस भी होगा, उसको हम पढ़ते हैं एज फ्रिक्शन. ऑल एनर्जी कैन नॉट बी कंज्यूम्ड इनटू वर्क, नेवर. As I told you in grade 9, you buy a machine like a drill machine from Amazon, and the drill machine is written as what? 1000 watt. 1000 watt means its rate of consuming energy is 1000 joules per unit time. So वो 1000 joules तो पी लेगा from the electricity board. And once you connect it to the board, it is going to eat energy at the rate of every second 1000 joules it will eat. Why have you brought the drill machine? To make hole. So all the energy that it has eaten, machine के पास कोई energy नहीं रहता है. मशीन एनर्जी लेता है और वर्क में बदलता है. लेकिन ड्रिल मशीन ने कितना लिया? 1000 joules एक सेकंड के लिए लिया. Will it give 1000 output? Sound, sparks, heat, your unit. So your efficiency of that drill machine would be something around say 85%. So every 1000 that you get, 850 is the work that you'll get. Sir, what happened to the balance 150? Oh, a drill machine is never silent. एक बार ड्रिल करने के बाद if you touch the bit, your hands will burn. So heat है, sparks होता है. So we never get all the energy. ठीक है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया आपको? ठीक है, this was last class. So इसके साथ थोड़ा सा इसके पिछला क्लास को भी रिकैप करके देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि दोनों जरूरत पड़ेगा. इससे पहले हमने क्या दिखा था? करंट इज सेड टू बी द रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. So we say that the current flowing through the cross section of a conductor is said to be 1 ampere when a charge of 1 coulomb flows past through it in 1 second. अगर 1 सेकंड में 1 coulomb निकल गया तो उस कंडक्टर में 1 ampere करंट जा रहा है. And now can we now think like this? Let's say I have a conductor out here, and let's say I have a point A and I have a point B, right? And I say, what is the potential difference between A and B? We can work it out again. What is the potential difference between A and B? So we say the potential difference between A and B should be the amount of external work done in moving a charge Q from B to A divided by Q. ये इधर आने से इधर आने के लिए. अब इससे एक और चीज पता चलता है, potential difference. So difference means if we make some potential ladders, let's say this is ground level, imaginary, potential ladders. This is potential of a point say A, and this is potential of a point say B. whose potential is more? Tell me. A's potential is more, VA zyada hai, VB's potential is less. So whenever you want to do any work, work will always happen along the potential gradient. Think that this is high level water, this is low level water. पानी कैसे बहेगा? ऐसे बहेगा. Water and electricity follow the same concept. Similarly, our charges will go which way? This way. This way. That's why you do an external work to bring the charge this way. The charge ऐसे आएगा ही नहीं ना. Think whether the charge will come from B to A. No, never. That's why you are doing an external work. आप धकेल 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 के आओगे. Then only you will get to measure this work. How much strength does Neha has on arm twisting? How do we test? There is no meter. So we bring a robot and we lock it and make her fight with that robot. She goes on defeating the robot and we keep on increasing the robot's strength. At one point, she is no more able to move the robot. That's her strength. So इसको भी जितना work करके आएंगे, we'll get to know what is the work this side. समझ में आया? So if I have a little charge, if I have a sweet little charge Q, which way does Q move? Q moves this way. Current always flows along the gradient. And in your case at your home, the plug point is at 240 volts and your television is at 0 volt. इसीलिए टीवी को करंट जाता है, टीवी से प्लग पॉइंट में करंट नहीं आता है. ऐसा होता तो anybody will bring 3 TVs and just connect and you're getting free power. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है. Water flows down the gradient. Let's take heat, hot Moldova and cold water. What will happen if we make them in contact? Moldova will cool down and water will heat up. So heat flows down the temperature gradient. Current flows down the voltage gradient. Water flows down the slope gradient. जहां slope वहीं जाएगा. ठीक है, इतना clear हुआ? So now we should go for our next part, which is about how to measure voltage. Now today we'll see a lot of relation between water. अगर कोई plumbing समझता है ना, he will understand electricity very nicely. Very interrelated. ठीक है? Now we are supposed to see measurement of current. Oh, sorry, voltage. And hope you know measurement of current. Measurement of current. You use a device which is known as ammeter, and it is connected in series, and it has extremely low resistance because it should allow all the, this will become very clear today once again with one lovely example. It should allow all the current to go through it, because an ammeter is like your parent going to your hostel and checking the quality of food. So he should allow all the food to go through him. तभी ना वो बोल पाएगा अच्छा खिला रहा है कि नहीं. ठीक है? Are ready to rub this? Every day I will write these things in this chapter. Make sure you also every day note it down, though you might have noted it down in the previous class, because the more you write, the more you learn. Maths देख के नहीं होता है, and this is pure mathematics, physics. Okay, चले आगे. चलो, measurement of voltage. And prior to that, 2 of our formulas so far that we will be using extensively. One of the formula is I equal to Q over T, and the other formula is V is equal to W over Q. These are the 2 formulas we'll be using. Okay? V is equal to W over Q. W is work done in joules. Q is coulomb. Okay? चलो आगे चलते हैं. So measurement of PD, potential difference. So measurement of potential difference is done by a device which is known as voltmeter. Now you all don't have lab and all. Maybe in 12 when you go, you'll see voltmeters in lab. We do it with a voltmeter. Okay. Now, whenever you see in these 2 instruments, ammeter and voltmeter, remember 3 things you have to know. What is the name? How is it connected? And what is the inbuilt property? Okay. So this will be connected in parallel. It will be connected in parallel across the points whose PD is to be measured. ठीक है, सीखेंगे इसको. Across the points whose PD is to be measured. and third we will come down. We'll धीरे से देखेंगे. Okay, so let me design a circuit now. Okay, let me design a circuit. So I have got a bulb. I've got a bulb, and I have a cell. Right? By now we know that conventional direction of electric current is always positive to negative. That's how we'll study. So how is the current flowing, Vita? The current is flowing in this manner. The current is flowing in this manner. So this is my I which is flowing, and the bulb has lit up. Okay. Now I have bought this from the market. This is something looking like this. This is a cell that I brought from the market. This is the plus and this is minus. And the market print on this is 1.5 volt. What does 1.5 volt mean? 1.5 volt means that the potential difference between the positive and the negative side is 1.5 volt. So a question in CBSE is asked, which side is at higher potential? The positive, jisko bada danda diya na, that is at higher potential. So how to interpret this? When you buy a Duracell from the market, on this side you have 0 volt, on this side you have plus 1.5 volt. You get it? That is the difference of potential. Understood? Since you have created this potential difference, how much is on this side? Plus 1.5. How much is on this side? 0. So electron क्या करेगा? Current आ गया. Whenever there is a potential difference, electron will run. A potential difference is something like this. Hungry children, lots of biryani. Got it? So let's see this now. Now say suppose you want to check whether the shopkeeper is actually selling you a battery which still has its potential. ऐसा नहीं पुराना battery बेच दिया 1.5 volt है ही नहीं. So you want to check. So how will you check? Remember what I have written. It is connected in parallel across the points whose PD is to be measured. So I want to measure the PD between say 2 points A and B. And here I will connect it how? In parallel. Series कैसा होता था? A series was when it was in Ringa Roses, connected like this. Now I will connect it in parallel. Suppose I want to check it through a voltmeter. Get my voltmeter from the market. Okay, this is my voltmeter, which has a positive terminal and negative. I'm showing raw connections. So the positive is always shown by a red wire. So just take the red wire and connect here, and take the other wire and connect here. If this is an analog device, it should show 1.5 volt. If it is a digital device, it should show 1.5 on a digital screen. In today's world, like I had it the other day, I'll get it. We don't buy voltmeters and all separately. We buy only one device called a multimeter. It's a multimeter. It can work as a voltmeter, as an ammeter, as an ohm meter, whatever. We call it an avometer. Many things we can do. So next class, I'll show you exactly with the cell. So this is how we connect it. And so how is it connected? It is connected in parallel. I told you, parallel is like children go to the assembly. ठीक है? अब मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Now since this circuit is lit, I might have I might have an interest. I'll say that I have got a very new cell out here, and the light grows very bright. Okay, the bulb glows very bright. So I would like to see what is the voltage difference across these 2 points. Let this point be point A and let this point be point B. I want to calculate what is the voltage difference between here. So when you had an ammeter, you used to connect the ammeter in series. Here you don't connect in series, you connect in parallel. So you bring your voltmeter out here and you just connect the voltmeter here. So now it will tell you what is the voltage difference across the bulb. In this pattern, it was telling you how it is the voltage difference across the battery. So typically whenever we have some appliances, we can always calculate what is their voltage difference. अब यहाँ पे एक interesting चीज है, देखो. We did not answer the third part. One is voltmeter connected in parallel. Have you understood connected in parallel means? Right. Sir, since we have understood current, we would also like to measure ये bulb कितना करंट पीता है, ये भी तो इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. चलो सर, उसके लिए एक एमीटर लगा दो. एमीटर you can put anywhere in the circuit, your wish. Only thing is, don't put the emitter here. I don't want to see what the voltmeter is consuming. I want to see how much this circuit is consuming. Sir, can we put an emitter here, anywhere? Your choice. Okay, sir, let's put an emitter here. हमने यहाँ पे एक emitter भी रख लिया. Now we are measuring what is the current flowing in the circuit as well as how much is the voltage difference across the bulb. Now, yeah, okay. Now the question arises, what about the, now we know that the resistance of the emitter is very less. So how does an emitter look like? The same device, if I draw in a bigger manner, it is like this. It's basically an emitter, and with it we have a small resistance. This is the device. This is how the emitter looks like. And this is very low resistance. This we already learned. Our question now is to understand, what about the voltmeter? वोल्टमीटर का भी कुछ रेजिस्टेंस होना पड़ेगा. अब आप कॉमन चीज सोचो. How do you want the current to flow? The current should flow in this direction through the emitter and then go to the bulb. We are not interested in the current going to the voltmeter. Current should go to the bulb, and at that time I should measure what is the potential difference. इसीलिए अगर तो, बट यहां तो सर आपने सर्किट खोल के रखा है. How does current know it has to go here or here? वो तो इधर भी जा सकता है, रास्ता खुला हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे हमको एक नो एंट्री का बैरिकेड डालना पड़ेगा. And what is that no entry barricade? That is the high resistance of the voltmeter. So a voltmeter has a very high resistance. That resistance is actually inside the voltmeter. Just for your understanding purpose, I have drawn. A voltmeter has a very high resistance connected with it. So this should be ultimately something like this. See, this is something like, this is my voltmeter. With the voltmeter, I will have a very high resistance, and this is how the voltmeter is available, and this is how I have connected it. This is high resistance. Now just see, current come this way, current will go this way, and after going here, he faces a block. You cannot cross. बहुत ज़्यादा resistance is something like blockage you have given. The current is unable to go any further this way, and current comes back. It flows through here. Hold your question 1 minute. If you are unable to understand this, let's understand a water pipeline. Simple सा बात. Bathroom में अगर आप कभी shower में नहाते हो, sometimes you'll see that the shower is just throwing water on you, and you go to the flat and say, अरे तुम्हारे घर में तो pressure बहुत ज़्यादा है. Don't you say that? और कभी-कभी shower एकदम some deadly is just falling. You don't have the pleasure of bathing at all. Have you seen that? So if you have more pressure, the water is just thrown from the shower. ठीक है? अब जरा देखो. मान लो this is Vivan's flat. Now they are consuming water inside, and we want to build them. So definitely there is a water pipeline which is coming inside their house. I will ask you how you relate this with this. So here every family members of Vivan are there, and they are using water. Billing to karna hai inko. How do we bill them? We should have some sort of a water meter, and that water meter should record all the consumption that they have done. Whether बर्तन धोने के लिए क्या किया, हमें तो consumption चाहिए. वो मीटर आप कहाँ लगाओगे? Common sense. घर के पहले लगाएंगे. Make sense? This is your water meter. So all the water that Vivan wants to use, we want it to pass through this. This is analogous to what? Which device? Ammeter. This is, and a water meter does what? What is the language of a water meter in an engineer's market? Flow meter. It calculates the entire flow of water through it. And these type of water meters which we have, these are called totalizers. मतलब ये महीना अगर ये 200 में रुक गया, अगला महीना 200 से आगे काउंट करेगा. Those are called totalizers. Sometimes you'll press reset, then 0000. Otherwise, it's a totalizer. Are you getting it? So it's a flow meter. A water meter and an ammeter is same. An ammeter is supposed to record the flow of the current. Water meter also records the flow of the current. Only difference is electron current, water current. समझ में आया? अब विवान के घर के अंदर चलते हैं. ठीक है? Let's go inside his house, and we are finding that this is his kitchen tap. This is his kitchen tap. Right, water pipeline is coming. This is the main header which is coming. That is going to some wash basin. Okay, from here it is going to some bathroom and all. Somehow we are finding that the kitchen tap में जाके ना पानी जोर से नहीं आ रहा है. इन दोनों में पानी आ रहा है ठीक से. So what do we say? Kitchen does not have, and the water does not go beyond the kitchen tap. It just goes till the kitchen tap. So you don't have anything out here. The water line is like this. So we want to check what is the pressure at the kitchen tap. Pressure means how much is the force being exerted. So one way would be open up this nut. As soon as you open up this nut, अचानक करके पानी मारेगा मुंह पे, है ना? Open up this nut and put your hand on it and feel the punch of water. That same thing, rather than doing like an idiot, we keep a point like this on both sides, and we keep a blank out here, and we put a valve out here. We bring a pressure gauge from the market, mount it out here, and open the valve. Now, how is the water going? It's here only. It's locked here only. And this will show you what is the pressure of it. If this pressure is less, then there is some problem in this tap. समझ में आ रहा है? टैप में जैम है कहीं ना कहीं. As this voltmeter. Voltmeter checks the potential difference, potential between these 2 points. Your kitchen tap will give you more water only if this has biryani and this side is Somalia. No food. Then only the kitchen tap will give you water. Otherwise क्यों पानी देगा? देगा नहीं. आप डिफरेंस मेजर करते हो दोनों के साइड में. और अगर आपने देखा सर बोथ साइड्स आर भूखा भूखा, नो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. सर बोथ साइड्स आर बिरयानी बिरयानी, नो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. Only when you have potential difference you will have current coming out. Otherwise no. If the temperament of your parent and your temperament are in the same at house will be in peace. If you are doing something in which your parents temperament has gone up, current will flow. वो डंडे से हो सकता है, गाली गलौज से हो सकता है, करंट तो जाएगा. जहां आप पीडी क्रिएट कर दोगे वही कंपटीशन. Is now potential difference and this understood? Yeah. So 1 minute, let's revise it. It's calculated using measured using a device called voltmeter. A voltmeter is always connected in parallel, and a voltmeter always has a very high resistance inbuilt, because no current should flow through the voltmeter. करंट को वहीं से जाना चाहिए जिधर से जाना चाहिए. भाई साहब आपको किधर से जाना था? Sir, I had to go through the bulb. So please go through the bulb. But sir, there's a road open. Okay, go. Oh sir, road closed. Okay, then go through there. Now, can we convert an emitter to voltmeter? Yes. Emitter के सीरीज में बहुत ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस लाके यहाँ लगा दो. That sort of a device is called a galvanometer. ये हम बाद में देखेंगे. ठीक है? So a voltmeter is always connected in parallel. So if you take a multimeter and you suppose want to find out what is the voltage across. So in a घर का connection में, this is earth, this is live, this is neutral. You have, this will be always written as this in America and all, they call this is the hot line. इसमें 220 volt है. छुओगे, इसको छुओगे, nothing. इसको छुओगे, nothing. These are neutral. These are all at 0 volt. This one is having 220 volts. So when we measure, the red probe always goes here. And you should be very careful with the red probe. ऐसे. And then parallel. Yes, बोलिए. Not wire of lesser resistance. The voltmeter itself will have the resistance inbuilt. That's why I said this is the voltmeter. So this wire, see, that's what I'm saying. In this wire, it will go till here, but it can't enter the voltmeter. Is अंदर में resistance है. उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. इस डिवाइस में करंट नहीं जाना चाहिए. आप ऐसे सोचो कि आप गाड़ी लेके जा रहे हो, ये फ्री वे है तो आप ऐसे जाओगे. यहाँ जाके आपको दोनों साइड जाने की छूट है तो आप यहाँ जाना शुरू किए. इधर अगर पुलिस ने नो एंट्री डाल के रखा है, आप जा पाएंगे? नहीं ना. खुला है ना, पानी है भाई साहब, दोनों साइड जा सकता है ना. यहीं पे लगा दीजिए हाई रेजिस्टेंस, ब्लॉक कर दीजिए, नहीं जाएगा. जाने का तो जाएगा ही, जहां तक जा सकता है जाएगा. इट्स लाइक वाटर. अभी मेरा वॉश बेसिन बंद है ना, तो पानी वहां तक जा तो रहा है, वहां जाके बंद मिला, वहीं खोल दूंगा तो बाल्टी तक आएगा. क्लियर? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड करंट. ठीक है. So by now you have only a fair bit of idea, very less bit of idea about series and parallel. इनको तो हम और देखेंगे series parallel को, but one thing we have understood that there are two aspects associated with flow of electric current. So now let's look at our conductor once again, okay? So then you will start understanding the concept of, then we'll start understanding the concept of resistance. Let's say this is the conductor, this is our conductor. Okay, this is a cross section of the conductor. Okay, now, and I have connected it. I'm just seeing the conductor part. Now start putting your head. I want a current to flow in this conductor. I want a current to flow in this conductor. That means for a current to flow, there has to be a potential difference. वरना current जाएगा नहीं ना. अच्छा, I keep my hand like this, and from a syringe I put some water on this portion, and I make it absolutely straight. Will the water flow anyway? No. Create a gradient, then water flows. Sir, I want the water to go this side. ऐसा कर देंगे. Now I want the current to flow this side. So if it was water, what I have to do? I have to do this thing. ये साइड का पोटेंशियल बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, ये साइड का पोटेंशियल घटाना पड़ेगा, तभी ना जाएगा. तो मोटा मोटी कुछ ऐसा करेंगे कि I am connecting it to a PD source, a potential difference source, something which can create a potential difference, a PD source like a cell or a plug point, whatever it is. And I've connected in such a manner. How do I want the current to go better? I want to current. So I'll not say positive now. I'll say I'll have the high potential on this side and low potential on this side. ऐसा तो कोई बात नहीं, इसको 0 ही रखना है, इसको 6 रखेंगे, इसको 2 रखेंगे तो भी तो जाएगा. 6 नहीं होना चाहिए, 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So my current gets developed, and the current starts going tick 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 tick, and this, the current is coming back, and see what is getting completed. A circuit is getting completed. Now the current keeps on running. How long? शोले का डायलॉग, जब तक तेरे पैर चलेंगे बसंती, तब तक बीरू की जान चलेगी. बसंती का नाचना बंद हो गया, करंट जाना बंद हो गया, गब्बर की गोली चलेगी. एज सिंपल. सर घड़ी रुक गया, सेल खत्म हो गया, no more potential difference, so that needle is not able to do any more work. खत्म. Sir, I was watching TV, suddenly it went off. Power failure, no potential difference. Now plug point is also at 0 volt, television is also at 0 volt. So Justin Bieber का गाना नहीं देख सकते आप. समझ में आ रहा है now? Concept clear?
Like the light part of the plug point is at 0.
Everything is 0. At that time you can go and touch the live also. But if by the time you touch the power comes, no. So rather take it in a different way. Suppose I switch off the mains, incoming mains of this particular flat, then I can go and touch any live. Nothing happens except the inverter lives, because they get power at that time. ठीक है ना? तो इस चीज समझ में आया. तो एक चीज सोचो, यहाँ पे एक आदमी को समझो. So there is electric current. So let's now give current a phase. Okay. Okay, let's give current a sort of a. He's my fellow I. He wants to run. If he wants to run, then there should be a PD, right? तभी ना करंट जाएगा. और करंट यहां से जाते हो नहीं जाऊंगा, तो यहां पे उसका एक बाप बैठा हुआ है. इसका नाम है वोल्टेज. ये क्या करता है? ये किक देगा और करंट क्या करेगा? रन करना स्टार्ट करेगा. पर ओआरआर में थोड़ी जा रहा है, ट्रैफिक तो होगा रोड में. This conductor is not so good as you think. All so much you are thinking about conductor. Oh, it will allow the electrons to go. Good conductors. And in this world, we don't get good children and good conductors. Nothing is so good. So this one will also have some sort of stubbornness inside. And that stubbornness is nothing but resistance. And resistance will try to choke the path. वही हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. ये choke करेगा path को. So there is one more fellow, the kebab mein haddi guy is sitting here. Aha, he is resistance. ये क्या करेगा? ये इसको चोक करेगा, choke करेगा. He'll choke it up. Choke in electricity is a device, but this choke means it'll choke it up. So the current will not be able to move. You tell me from your common sense how to make the current move. Considering this story, there's a big brother who always kicks. Jao balana. Go. He's hitting me. He will increase the kick. करंट अंदर नहीं जा पाएगा. करंट जाते ही ये क्या करेगा? चोक करेगा. It's like simple, that bullying factor. You know, in childhood, some boy goes to play out there. Mummy, वहाँ पे playground में मारेगा. The mother is sitting on the balcony. I said you go and play. So he starts kick. So the story is, voltage provides the kick. The resistance will always try to choke it up. Voltage has to kick, and only then current flows. If this fellow resistance was not there, all the conductors would have been superconductors, which is what we study. At extreme low temperatures, there are some elements which behave as superconductors, like mercury. The whole motherboard of the computer can come down to this much at extreme 0 degrees. ये superconductivity के ऊपर बहुत study होता है, like in space technologies and all. In space, what is my greatest दुश्मन? Load. I can't lift with so much of load. So if you have superconductors in space, जितना सोलर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लिया सारा कुछ यूज कर सकता है, तब आपका कैसा हो जाएगा? तब आपको इतना भारी भरकम चीज भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट ना? इन स्पेस लोड इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. सो with this story we will go further to understand resistance. Is this story becoming clear? In electricity chapter there are only 3 actors: Amar, Akbar, Antony. अमर किक मारेगा, अकबर भागना चाहेगा, एंटनी उसको चोक करता रहेगा. सर एंटनी सब में होता है क्या? बिल्कुल. All of you guys have Antony within yourself. Some may be less, some may be more. Don't you think you have resistance in you? Yes, inbuilt. Sir, I want to, so now the question arises, sir, why does the Apple headphone or Sennheiser headphones cost me so much? The quality of wires that they use are extremely good conductors. Maybe they are having some silver strands in them. As a result, जो आपका बैटरी है वो ज्यादा लास्ट करेगा. And sir, the one we get outside Secunderabad station, ₹1 वो फालतू वाला क्वालिटी है, वो ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी खींचेगा. समझ में आ रहा है अभी कॉन्सेप्ट? So, if voltage is clear, current. This diagram always keep it in your mind. Voltage is the guy who always kicks, and current wants to go. But in actual, what is happening? All the electrons flow this side. That is called electron current. Don't forget, we only take the current in this direction. So how many of you have understood this fairy tale? I tried my level best. I can try again and again. Voltage provides the kick. So you should always have a voltage source. A constant voltage source is a cell. If I can carry that plug point with me wherever I am going, then that is my constant voltage source. But when we go out, we carry a torch because we can't carry the plug point with us. So what is our constant voltage source? Sir, cell. आपको एक कांस्टेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स तो चाहिए जहां भी आप जाएंगे. Even as I'm talking from this microphone, they have got batteries inside it. That's the constant voltage source. Will it die down? Yes. What should I do between 2 classes? Again, put it in the charging dock. It charges again. है ना? क्लियर हो गए? चलें अभी आगे. तो थोड़ा सा वोल्टेज के ऊपर प्रॉब्लम कर लेते हैं. ये आगे आने वाला है स्टोरी हमारा, resistance story. Let's do some voltage problem. Anyone has a textbook? देखें क्या है. हाँ चलें. Anything does. Because if I give you a problem, वो सब मैच नहीं करेगा data, then you'll cry and say, sir, what? Okay. चलिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स कीजिए. ओए, that sound is so डरावना. Okay, it can be from any questions. Please note down 2 things in this chapter. I hope you know these: milli and mega. Millivolt is written like this, which means 10 to the power minus 3 volt. Megavolt is written like this, which means 10 to the power 6 volt. Gigavolt is written as 10 to the power 9 volt. Okay? And kilovolt is 10 to the power 3 volt. 1000 volt में 1 kilovolt. ठीक है, एक प्रॉब्लम करते हैं, चलिए। A flash of lightning, all these are stories, you don't have to just get the keyword. A flash of lightning carries 10 coulomb of charge, so you write charge, given charge is equal to 10 coulomb. ठीक है, charge q is equal to 10 coulomb, understood? Okay, which flows for 0.01 seconds, so time t is equal to 0.01. What happens when you are sleeping? Time t is equal to 0.01 seconds. लिखा बच्चा? First part you have to calculate is current I equal to question mark. Current I is equal to question mark. ए अमूल्य सुनाई दे रहा है? हाँ बोलो बेटू. The question is that charge is 10 coulomb. Time is 0.01 seconds. First you will calculate what is the current. Okay, calculate current कितना आया? Current I is equal to Q over T. Write the formula. Write the formula. Every time write the formula when the chapter begins. 13 formulas याद करना है आपको. How much current did you get, बच्चा?
Yeah.
How much did you get? 1000 amperes. How many of you got 1000? 1000 A. Properly लिखेंगे लेकिन. ऊपर हिसाब तो नहीं किया? I can see from here. No scribbling ना? 1000 A ampere. Got it? Anyone facing difficulty with the calculation? I can show you how to make it simpler. दिखा दो, बहुत कोई बात नहीं, ये होती है स्पिरिट. कितना है हमारा क्वेश्चन में? करंट का डेफिनेशन क्या होता है बेटा? Q अपॉन T. Q की वैल्यू कितनी है? 10 कूलम. और इसमें ये कूलम में होना चाहिए, ये सेकंड में होना चाहिए. ये कितना है? 0.01. ठीक है, ये सब हमेशा आप क्या खेलो? एक्सपोनेंट्स खेलो. 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 इंटू 10 टू द पावर कितना है? -2. इतना समझ में आया? 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 कितना होता है बेटा? 10. सो इट इज 10 एंड डिवाइडेड बाई -2. तो ये ऊपर उठेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? +2 हो जाएगा. 10 इंटू 8 +2 मीन्स 100. सो दैट इज 1000. योर विश. Any day. Or else another easy way is abolish this. How to abolish this? Sir, you multiply the bottom with 100, you multiply the top with 100. So bottom becomes 1, top becomes 1000. ऐसे भी कर सकते. ठीक है? Next part of the question is voltage is 10 megavolt. Megavolt. Megavolt मतलब बहुत ज्यादा. हाँ, 10 to the power 6. These electric trains and all run at 25 kV. वो जो ऊपर से ठक करके लगा रहता है ना, that is a 25 kV line. You will be fried पूरा. Chicken roast. 10 megavolt. What is the energy? अच्छा, how to relate energy? Energy and work are same. So how do we know? Voltage is equal to work over charge or is equal to energy over charge. हमने क्या पढ़ा था बच्चा? देखो, voltage is equal to work over charge. This is same as energy over charge. चलो करो, ये समझ में आया? तो वर्क एंड एनर्जी आर सेम थिंग्स. करो. अभी वोल्टेज कितना दिया आपको? 10 मेगावोल्ट मींस 10 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 6. कितना आया मैडम? 100 वॉट. माय हेड, योर हेड. 100 joules. लेट मी हैव अ लुक. नंबर 27. नंबर 20 कौन सा था? 26E. 26E. 26E, A, B, C, D. Where is it gone? 100 megajoules. 100 megajoules means 100 into 10 to the power 6. So there is another way. Now 100 into 10 to the power 6, Adya, you could have written as 106 zeros. That only makes it very insignificant. आपने कितने सरसों खरीदे? सर आज ना मार्केट से सरसों, जानते हो ना, मस्टर्ड, हमने 2 crore 46 lakh seeds खरीदे. मैं बड़ा बेकार. 50 ग्राम सरसों खरीदे. मेक्स मोर सेंस. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में आंसर्स हमेशा मेगा, किलो, गीगा ये सब में दिया करो. ठीक है ना? तो ऐसा नहीं कि कोई काटेगा आपका, पर वो आंसर का कोई जस्टिफिकेशन नहीं होता है. सो ट्राई टू मेक इट इन मेगा और किलो वोल्ट्स. राइट? As I told you, the electric line on which trains run in India, that's a 25 kV, means 25,000 volts. मेगा किलो तो एक ही है, चलो फिर से लिख लो, मिली, सेंटी, डेसी, देन आता है, इसको कैपिटल में लिखा, देखो, ग्राम, मीटर, लीटर, और क्या, वोल्ट, जो इच्छा लिख लो, एम्पियर, फिर क्या होता है कैपिटल में, डेका, हेक्टा, किलो, मेगा, गीगा, टेरा, बीटा, अब जाते रहो, एक्सा, एक्सा, बीटा, टेरा, गीगा, मेगा, किलो, हेक्टो, डेका, डेसी, सेंटी, मिली, माइक्रो, नैनो, पिको, फेम्टो, एटो, 10 to the power minus 18 to 10 to the power 18. आपके लिए ये सब जरूरी है, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 9. I have a 1 TB hard disk, 10 to the power 12, 10 to the power 15, 15, and here 10 divided by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10 to the power minus 1, 10 minus 2, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. Nano and giga are just like friends. Pico 10 to the power minus 12, femto 10 to the power minus 15, atto 10 to the power. इस बीच में एक और मेजरमेंट आता है, वो एटॉमिक केमिस्ट्री में आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एन एंगस्ट्रॉम. एंगस्ट्रॉम डिनोटेड बाय 0, दैट इज 10 to the power minus 10. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 मीटर. ये आप केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ोगे, नॉट दिस ईयर, मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर. पहले 9 में पढ़ते थे, अभी नेक्स्ट. एंगस्ट्रॉम, ठीक है, ये ज्यादा. so in this chapter we'll be working on, then we'll be working on power also later. so watt भी आएगा यहाँ पे, watt, joule, जो भी ले लो, किलो जूल, मेगा जूल, गीगा जूल, टेराजूल्स. Terajoules is very high. Again on this side, millijoules, microjoules, nanojoules. Here, very good, excellent बच्चा. चलिए एक और. Which one? ये अभी वाला जो किया ना, the voltage part only or the full problem? Voltage part only. चलो ये वाला, ये था हमारा voltage. So we have to find out what work done, if I am not wrong ना. So work is equal to voltage into coulomb. Voltage कितना है बेटा? 10 megavolts. 10 into 10 to the power 6 volts. Agreed? 10 megavolts. And charge कितना था बेटा? Charge was 10 coulomb in the same problem. 10 coulomb. So 10 into 10 multiply, if I do, I get 100, and this is what? 10 to the power 6. Now volt and coulomb gives me joules. Now one way is that, like Adya, what she had done, इसको पूरा expand करके लिखा था, तो अभी हमको ये आता है ना, this is mega, so we write it as 100 mj, Michael Jackson, megajoules, just speed it. We had a boy in our class, his name was Gopal गुरुंग, नेपाली लड़का था, उसका हर कॉपी में नाम रहता था गोपाल जैक्सन, जीजे. डाई हार्ड फैन ऑफ माइकल जैक्सन. क्लास में आता ही था ब्लैक और व्हाइट गा गा के, टीचर भी वैसे ही बाहर निकालता था. And if anyone says go get out of the class, oh, it doesn't matter, black or white. We have enjoyed life. तुमने इंस्टाग्राम आया, ठीक है? Can I have this? The next problem. चलो बच्चा, प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. PD across a lamp is 12 volt. So लैंप हम भूल जाओ, सीधा लिखो, given PD is equal to 12 volt. Right? डेटास लेते रहते हैं, नया मैंने लिख लिया. Okay. 10 volt, 10 volt. How many joules means E equal to unknown, E equal to W equal to unknown. How many joules पूछा है ना? So E equal to W equal to unknown. W means work done, E is energy. Of electric energy is changed into heat and light, यही पूछ रहा है, when A, charge of 1 coulomb passes through it. So charge Q is equal to 1 coulomb. So you have to just calculate what? Energy. You know the formula of energy? Energy is voltage into charge. Voltage कितना है? 12. Charge कितना है? 1 coulomb. कितना energy गया? 12 joules. आंसर हो गया. 10 दिया था, 12 दिया था. 12 है और चार्ज है 1 कूलम. So what is the energy transferred? 12 joules. If the charge is replaced by 5 coulomb, then it is 60 joules. If you replace the charge by 5 coulomb, then it is 60 joules. ठीक है? Next question. Next question is different, हाँ? Next question कैसा है? आप लिख के रखो. Same data. Voltage 12 volt. V is equal to 12 volt. Right? Now we are not giving you charge. First problem we gave you charge of 1 coulomb. Next problem we gave you charge of 5 coulomb. Are you able to follow ना बेटा? Fast तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Third problem कैसा है? Third problem में मैं आपको charge नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ा घुमा के charge ही बोलूँगा. It is 2 ampere current, 10 seconds flow time. 2 ampere current, right? I equal to 2 ampere. I equal to 2 ampere. T is equal to 10 seconds. अच्छा, charge क्या होता है? I into T. Q is equal to IT. I is equal to Q by T. So Q is equal to IT. तो आपको तो Q तो मिल गया 20 into 12 240 जूल्स जाएगा इसमें से. 240 का जूल से. क्या विवान बोलो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है ना? Did you understand विवान? See, voltage is how much? 12 volt. I am asking you to calculate what? देखो ऐसे करो, वोल्टेज कितना दिया मैंने आपको? वोल्टेज बोलते ही आप ऐसे लिखो W over Q. वोल्टेज आपको कितना दिया? 12. आपको ये निकालने दिया मैं. आप बोलोगे सर ये भी तो बोलो. मैं बोलूं मैं तो ये ना बोलूं तेरे को भाई, हरियाणवी में बोल रहा हूँ, ये ना बोलूं मैं तेरे को. हाँ भाई, तो ये कैसे आएगा? मैं कह दूं भाई करंट ले ले तू. कितना एम्पियर? 2 एम्पियर. और भाई कितनी देर जा रही है? 10 सेकेंड्स. तो यो रिलेशन लगा ले भाई. I is equal to Q upon T. तो Q क्या बैठा? I into T है ना. तो I into T करे तो कितना आ गया भाई? 20 कूलम जा रहा है भाई. आ गया तेरा 20 कूलम यहाँ पे. अब डाल दे 20 इंटू 12 कर 240 के जूल्स. आंसर आ गया. इंटरेस्टिंग? नॉट वेरी हार्ड एज लॉन्ग एज यू अंडरस्टैंड. अभी तो 2 फॉर्मूला हुआ है, कोई भी फॉर्मूला टफ नहीं है. चलिए एक और क्वेश्चन, लॉन्ग आंसर. हॉट्स करे क्या? एक टाइम है. ओके, लेट्स डू अ हॉट्स क्वेश्चन. देखते हैं. सार्थक का फेवरेट है हॉट्स क्वेश्चन. सार्थक एक और इंस्टाग्राम आईडी खोला है क्या कल परसों? डू नॉट लाइक मी सार्थक नाम का कुछ एक खोल दिया है. ओ सुन लिया क्या घर वाले? ओ हेडफोन नहीं डाला. ये हे मेरे से गलती हो गया. Sir, you are so bad. No, you spill the beans. Okay, चलो. So this is a HOTS question, huh? HOTS question. I hope you understand this. There's a positive terminal of the battery. Batteries are all connected in series. These are all my Duracell or Nippo or whatever you think. Oh, now we know. Okay. Very interesting, children. What do you see in this diagram? पहले diagram को read करना सीखो. क्या क्या दिख रहा है तुम्हें diagram में? बोलो. A battery of 3 cells. Very good. 2 lamps. Okay, 2 lamps. In electricity, we are always interested about how you are configured. The 3 cells are configured in what connection? Series. And the bulbs are in? Why do you have that so slow voice in saying? Say confidently, series. The bulbs are in ringa. Sorry, कहाँ गया? The bulbs are in ringa pattern, ना? हाँ? There's no switch. वो जलते रहेगा भाई. हमारी फैक्ट्री है, बहुत बैटरी है हमारे पास. आप क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान दो, ठीक है? अब हमने क्या किया है? यहां पे हमने एक क्या लगा दिया है? जरा सोचो. यहां पे एमीटर लगाया है. Good. I love that frown on your face. Parallel में. This is a gadha connection somebody has made. Emitter should not be connected in parallel. Emitter should always be connected in series. ये कनेक्शन में तो कुछ गड़बड़ है. अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ फिगर ड्रॉ किया है. I hope all of you are able to understand the गड़बड़ in the connection, right? Something is odd. Voltmeter लगाता तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. ये एमीटर लगा. Now let's read the question. A student, somebody like you, made an electric circuit shown here to measure the current through the 2 lamps. The student, लड़का बनाया या लड़की? Girls are always smart. लड़का बनाते हैं, ठीक है? the student wanted to measure the current through the two lamps. Means student के दो बच्चे हॉस्टल में हैं, ये गंदा खाना खाते हैं कि नहीं वो टेस्ट करना है. So the emitter should have sat where? Anywhere here, here or here, here, wherever in the circuit, because the student is interested to measure the current between the two lamps. Okay, now आगे. First question, are the lamps in series or parallel? Series. The student has made a mistake in this circuit. What is the mistake? The student has connected the emitter in parallel instead of connecting it in series. Okay, next one. Draw a circuit diagram to correct the way how to connect the circuit and use proper symbols. The student is interested to what? To measure the current. 1 minute before you draw. The student, Vivan's house, Jaydeep's house. The student is interested to measure how much water flows to Vivan's and Jaydeep's house. विवान के घर के आगे अगर एमिटर लगा देना बेहतरीन कनेक्शन बनेगा भाई. चलो लगाओ, वेरी गुड. एमिटा देते हैं इसको. सो हाउ टू करेक्ट? ये नहीं, ये ऐसे जैसे दिया है वैसे ही. ये तो हॉट क्वेश्चन है, तो एमिटर हमारा यहां लगना चाहिए. क्या हार्ड था बोलो ये क्वेश्चन में, अगर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है तो. ठीक है. नाउ सी, नाउ लेट अस डू सम मोर वायरिंग का कारोबार. Now our friend Adya said that they don't have a switch in this circuit. They don't have a switch in this circuit. थोड़ा सा switching देखते हैं इसका, ठीक है. So first of all, now look here. We'll do some interesting arrangements. Okay. If I break this circuit right now, will any bulb glow? No bulb will glow. If I break here, will any bulb glow? Huh? First one, current come, no road to go. Circuit has to be completed. कोई नहीं ग्लो करेगा, कोई ग्लो नहीं करेगा. मैं इस बल्ब को मैंने A नाम दिया, इसको मैंने B नाम दिया. A is my living room and B is my bedroom. A में सिर्फ लाइट जलना चाहिए. कैसे स्विच लगाए? सिर्फ A में जलना चाहिए. A में कंट्रोल चाहिए बेसिकली. I should be able to control A to my choice. कितने स्विच चाहिए? I can give you as many wires you want. I will give you. But I want, कहाँ काटूं? कहाँ काटूं? A के बाद काट दूं? ऐसे ऐसे कर दूं, एक वायर ऐसे कर दूं. अभी A जलता रहेगा, चलता ही रहेगा. यहां पे स्विच काट दूं एक. अब इसको टिक टॉक करने से ए जलेगा बुझेगा. फाइन. ए को सेपरेट कंट्रोल हो गया, बी को भी सेपरेट कंट्रोल दीजिए. बी हमारा बाथरूम है ना, हमेशा थोड़ी जलाएंगे. जलाइए, बी को सेपरेट कंट्रोल दीजिए. कहां जोड़ेंगे? ए वाले वायर पे जोड़ने से प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा पता है? सपोज आप यहां पे जोड़ दो, देन बी इज डिपेंडेंट. ऑफ बाथरूम जाने से पहले ड्राइंग रूम ऑन करना पड़ेगा. यहां से पावर आएगा तो ये जलेगा. इसको बी नीड्स अ सप्लाई. यहां से सप्लाई दो, यहां से सप्लाई दो और यहां स्विच दे दो और इसको कनेक्ट कर दो. अब सी, अप टिल दिस इज अ हॉटस्पॉट. डोंट यू थिंक यहां तक हॉट है आपका लाइन? हॉटस्पॉट मींस यू नो ना, योर वोल्टेज स्टिल हियर एंड करंट कैन गो व्हिचएवर वे देयर इज डायरेक्शन. करंट यहां जाता है, सर रोड ब्लॉक है, करंट यहां तक आके. अब इसको ऑन ऑफ करने से बाथरूम अपना जलेगा, किचन अपना जलेगा. या प्लीज प्लीज. ये वाला, ये ड्राइंग रूम को ऑन कर देते हैं. बिल्कुल. नहीं, करंट को हमेशा दो रास्ता मिल रहा है ना, उसमें भी जाएगा, इसमें भी जाएगा. यहां तक आके रुका रहेगा. करंट इज लाइक वाटर. आधा बाद में, अभी देखते हैं. ये चीज समझ में आया. But is it a smart way of wiring this? There is some still garbar which you have not studied, and since we are at the end of the class, we will stop it this discussion. There is something garbar still out here. You have not studied that, but can you tell me what is the garbar? Look at the battery bank. How many batteries are feeding this circuit? 3 batteries. Each battery is 1.5 volt as available in the market. Do you understand? So overall, it is same as connecting one 4.5 वोल्ट का बैटरी आपने लगाया है. It is same as 4.5 volt. Earlier 4.5 rotis were eaten jointly between these two bulbs. Earlier 4.5 rotis were eaten jointly by them. है ना, ऐसा कनेक्शन था, ऐसा था. अभी आपने एक एक को 4.5 रोटी खिला रहे हो. नहीं, मेरे बात समझ रहे, वो अभी वैसे नहीं, वो तो आपने पढ़ा नहीं, आपने इसको डिकोड करना समझे आप क्या है. इफ यू कनेक्ट ईच बल्ब नाउ टू दिस 3 banks, you are feeding more voltage to the bulb. There is a potential chance that this bulb will go pattu. Obviously, ये छोटा सा बेबी है, ये हमारा क्रैश है. So many babies के लिए हम 4.5 रोटी बनाते हैं. आप एक ही बच्चे को बोले मेरा मुन्ना ले रोटी खा 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 खा, तो मर जाएगा बच्चा. और separate, or we have to calculate how much can Munna eat, and we have to give that much Munna only to this. Do you understand? टॉर्च के बल्ब को अगर आप ये 240 वोल्ट्स में लगा देंगे, भस्मासुर हो जाएगा. टॉर्च का बल्ब टॉर्च के बैटरी से ही चलता है, छोटा. You're getting the point now? उसी तरह ये जो ट्यूबलाइट है, इसके पीछे ड्यूरासेल लगाओगे तो थोड़ी ये जलेगा. ये तो ना, मेरे को बहुत भूख लगा है. Okay, have one strand of noodle. You liking it? नहीं खाएगा. Analogy समझना बहुत जरूरी है. Yes, as you said, sir, जल तो जाएगा, but it will suddenly glow with a big glow, and after 2 minutes, पटास. You have seen torches, वो एल्यूमिनियम टाइप टॉर्चेस जो वॉचमैन लेके घूमता है, वैसा 2 बैटरी टॉर्च होता है, 4 बैटरी टॉर्च होता है, 5 बैटरी. 2 बैटरी वाला बल्ब 5 बैटरी में फिट नहीं कर सकते. लगाते ही ग्लो आएगा, यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी, क्या पावर आ रहा है. 10 मिनट बाद बल्ब फटास. यस सर.
एकदम एंड में जो एक बताया था कि यहाँ पे एक स्विच और यहाँ पे एक स्विच. Now current is passing both ways. Let's say both ways.
करंट वैसे डिवाइड नहीं होता है, वोल्टेज डिवाइड होता है. वो आप पढ़ोगे जब आप सीरीज प्लस होगा. करंट डिवाइड नहीं होता है. To give you an answer to your, to give me an answer, appropriate answer to you, if Vivan's house uses 5-liter water and we don't have water connection, and secretly we don't want to pay for our water, we have tapped our line internally with Vivan's house, our consumption cannot go down ना. हम अगर 6 लीटर पीते तो 6 ही तो पिएंगे. विवान 5 ही तो चाहिए. 5 के बिना ऐसा तो नहीं कि विवान वॉशरूम जाके पानी यूज नहीं करके आ गया, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता है. विवान will also use 5, we will also use 6 liters. But तो हाँ, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा विवान के घर में, बोलना शुरू करो अभी. सोचो, बिल ज्यादा नहीं. Still somebody is not thinking. There will be something. No, answer my question. We have tapped our house to Vivan's house. We will consume 6 liter. Vivan will consume 5 liter. Something in Vivan's house will go off. Not water bill, something. The pressure will fall down. The pressure will fall down. पहले पानी पास करके आता था उसके घर में, इस्तेमाल करने वाला नहीं था. अभी हम लोग खोल के रख दिए हैं तो पानी हो जाएगा ना. तो सीरीज में जब आप कनेक्ट करते हैं, वोल्टेज गिर जाएगा, करंट नहीं गिरता है. करंट पैरेलल में गिरेगा. ये हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. दैट्स व्हाई ऐसे वाटर समझोगे तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी समझ में आएगा अपने आप. अंडरस्टूड? फ्रॉम द सेम गार्डन होज इफ यू मेक ये कैबेज का वाटरिंग, ये कैरेट का वाटरिंग, ये कोरिएंडर का वाटरिंग, तो सब में कम हो जाएगा ना धीरे धीरे. सो आज का रंगारंग कार्यक्रम यही समाप्त होता है भाई साहब. लेकिन